Here we're given a system of two equations, 2x equals 3y plus 9 and negative 4x plus 6y equals 12. We're asked to solve this system using the elimination method. Well, step 1, we're going to choose a variable to eliminate. We're going to eliminate x. Now, in order to do this, step 2, we're going to line up the x's, the y's, line up the equal sign, and the constant number on the right. We just moved the 3y over to the other side in equation A. Now everything's lined up. We ask ourselves, well, we have to add a multiple of one of the equations to a multiple of the other equation, with the intention being that we're going to eliminate the variable we chose in step 1, variable x. So to do that, I see that if I multiply equation A by 2 and then add these guys together, the x's will disappear. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 2 times the A equation plus 1 times the B equation, add them together with the intention being that I'm going to eliminate the variable x. That gives me 4x minus 6y equals 18, added to negative 4x plus 6y equals 12. Now something weird's going to happen that I didn't anticipate. Not only do the x's cancel, the y's cancel. And I'm left with a situation where I've lost my variable. Uh-oh, lost my variable. That means I'm stuck. I can't go any further. I can't solve for x or y. They're gone. So we are stuck. Where are we stuck? That's what's important. We're stuck at 0 equals 30. Now that statement, 0 equals 30, that statement is never true. I'm just making an observation here. I got stuck, lost all my variables at a never true statement. Now, what can I conclude from this situation? Here's my answer. Thus, we conclude our system is inconsistent. All right? An inconsistent system, it has no solutions. And we write our answer as empty set. So we do the 0 with the slash through it. That's our solution. And we identify the system as an inconsistent system. Okay, so once again, we went through the process of elimination to solve this system, and we ended up losing our variables. When that happened, we analyzed where we were at when we lost our variables. We were at 0 equals 30. That's never true. And since it's never true, we're going to have no solutions. This is an inconsistent system. Now, according to note 40, there's another way we could have identified the type of system without doing any solution, working out any solution. And we'll discuss that briefly here. Another way to identify the type of solutions or the type of system without solving is to do this. First, get all of your equations written in y equals mx plus b form. Right? Get them all written in that form. Okay, so we'll take the first equation. We'll move everything over to the right, leaving the y on the left. And then we'll get rid of the coefficient by dividing each of the terms, not just the whole side, but we're going to divide each of the terms by 3. So we get y equals 2/3 x minus 3, 9/3. I should have written 9/3 as 3. Okay, so that was my bad. Okay, then we're going to compare the slopes. We have to do this to both of the equations. So let's do it to the other equations. Get it into y equals mx plus b form. So we get y equals 2/3 x. When we simplify, y equals 2/3 x plus 2. So we have y equals 2/3 x minus 3 and y equals 2/3 x plus 2. Now we compare the slopes. Are they the same or are they not the same? Well, the slope of the first line is m sub 1, it's equal to 2/3, but that's the same as the slope of the second line, m sub 2. They are equal. Compare the y-intercepts, 0b. Well, the b value for the first equation is negative 9/3, which is negative 3, and the second equation is positive 2. That means our y-intercepts are not the same. One is 0, negative 3, the other is 0, 2. So our conclusion is, according to note 40, since we have equal slopes and different y-intercepts, this is an inconsistent system. An inconsistent system, which means there are no solutions. Empty set is our solution. So that's the other way you could analyze the system without actually solving it to find out what type of system you have. In this case, it was inconsistent.